In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at algebra and how you can solve equations using algebra. Today, I'll just be talking about how algebra works before giving you an example on how you can use algebra to solve equations. First, let's model algebra using a balance beam. In this balance beam, everything on the left side is equal to everything on the right side. Here we have two cubes on the left, and we also have two cubes on the right, so this is balanced. If we only removed one cube or added only one cube to only one side, then our weighing scale would not be balanced. So in order to perform an operation that keeps both sides balanced, we must do the same operations to both sides. So here, let's take a look at what happens if we remove one cube from both the left side and the right side. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is also 1 here. So on both sides, we would have one cube remaining, and the weighing scale remains balanced. Now let's do the same thing, except instead of subtracting 1, let's multiply both sides by 3. If we multiply both sides by 3, 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 3 is also 3. So the weighing mechanism again remains balanced. So basically the key idea you need to take to use algebra to solve equations is that whenever you perform an operation to one side of the equal sign, you must perform the same operation to the other side of the equal sign, like we did with the balance beam. If you do this, the equation will always remain balanced and you will be able to isolate a variable while solving. So let's take a look at how we can use this to actually solve an equation. Here's an example. Let's say we get the equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 9. Now to solve this, we must use the same principles that we learned in our balance beam example. Let's start by subtracting both sides of the equation by 5. 4x plus 5 minus 5 is just 4x because 5 and minus 5 cancel out, and 2x plus 9 minus 5 is 2x plus 4. So our new equation will be that 4x is equal to 2x plus 4. Now let's subtract both sides of the equation by 2x again in order to further simplify this. 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x, and 2x minus 2x cancels out to 0. So our new equation is that 2x is equal to 4. Now to simplify this further, we cannot use addition or subtraction, since that will not get you anywhere. Now that we have two different terms on both sides, we have to use division to isolate the variable. Here x is being multiplied by 2, so in order to get rid of this 2, we must divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2x divided by 2 is x, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer to our equation is that x is equal to 2. Now let's just say that you weren't sure about the answer you got, so you want to double check to make sure you got it correct. So we found that x is equal to 2 in the equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 9. And to make sure that you got it correct, all you need to do is write the original equation and replace the spots where x were with 2, because that was the answer we got here. So our new equation becomes 4 times 2 plus 5 is equal to 2 times 2 plus 9. And now we can just simplify this using basic arithmetic. 4 times 2 is 8, so 8 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 9. And if we simplify this, both sides are equal to 13. Because in our final answer, we got a situation where one number is equal to the same number, that means that our answer was correct and x is indeed 2 in the equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 9. Thank you for watching.